Cleaning bathrooms, tiles, and kitchens doesn't have to be exhausting anymore. In today's video, I'm reviewing the top 10 electric spin scrubbers that make deep cleaning faster, easier, and almost fun. From budget-friendly options to high-power cleaners, these Amazon bestsellers can save your time and energy. So let's jump right in. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below to see the latest prices and details. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our top product reviews. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. The Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber is one of my top picks for effortless home cleaning and daily use. It features a powerful motor that spins fast enough to remove stubborn dirt, soap scum, and grime from tiles, bathtubs, showers, and grout lines. The adjustable extension handle allows you to clean floors and high walls without bending, which really helps reduce back and knee strain. Its cordless design gives complete freedom of movement, making bathroom and kitchen cleaning much easier and faster. Multiple interchangeable brush heads are included, so switching between different surfaces is simple and convenient. The battery life is strong enough for full cleaning sessions, and the ergonomic grip feels comfortable even during extended use. Overall, this electric spin scrubber offers an excellent balance of power, comfort, durability, and ease of use for modern households. Labago Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro. The Labago Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro is designed for users who want powerful performance with premium features. It delivers high-speed rotation that easily removes grease, soap residue, limescale, and tough bathroom stains. The extendable handle helps reduce pressure on your back and knees, making long cleaning sessions more comfortable. This scrubber comes with multiple brush heads suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, tiles, bathtubs, and even outdoor surfaces. The rechargeable battery provides consistent and reliable power throughout cleaning. Its ergonomic handle offers excellent grip and control, even when scrubbing tough areas. This model is ideal for tech lovers and busy households looking for professional-level cleaning results at home with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. The Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber is a versatile and user-friendly option for everyday home cleaning. It features dual speed modes, allowing you to choose gentle cleaning for delicate surfaces or stronger power for stubborn stains. The extendable handle and cordless design make it easy to clean walls, floors, ceilings, and shower areas without bending or stretching. It includes several interchangeable brush heads designed for sinks, tiles, bathtubs, and grout lines. The lightweight build reduces hand and arm fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Battery performance is reliable and supports regular cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Leebein offers a great balance between power, comfort, affordability, and flexibility, making it a solid choice for most households. HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber. The HOTO Electric Spin Scrubber stands out for its modern, minimalist design and smooth cleaning performance. It delivers steady rotation power while remaining quiet during operation. The waterproof construction makes it safe for use in wet areas such as bathrooms, kitchens, and showers. This scrubber comes with easy-to-change brush heads that work well on tiles, sinks, bathtubs, and countertops. The ergonomic handle provides excellent grip and control even with wet hands. Battery life is dependable and suitable for complete cleaning sessions. HOTO is perfect for users who want a stylish, well-designed electric scrubber that combines aesthetics with efficient and reliable cleaning performance. Casabella Power Spin Scrubber. The Casabella Power Spin Scrubber is a simple, lightweight, and easy-to-use cleaning tool designed for everyday maintenance. It works well for quick bathroom and kitchen cleanups without requiring much effort. The rotating brush head helps remove dirt, soap residue, and surface stains more effectively than manual scrubbing. Its comfortable grip makes it beginner-friendly and easy to control. While it is not built for heavy-duty deep cleaning, it performs well for light to medium cleaning tasks. This scrubber is ideal for apartments, small homes, and users who want a straightforward electric scrubber for routine cleaning jobs. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber is compact and ideal for detailed cleaning tasks around around the home. It works especially well for grout lines, sink corners, tile edges, and tight spaces where larger scrubbers struggle. The oscillating brush head provides consistent scrubbing action, helping remove stubborn dirt with less effort. Its lightweight design allows easy one-hand use, making it convenient for quick cleaning jobs. The battery-powered operation eliminates the need for charging cables. While it's not designed for large area cleaning, it excels at precision cleaning. This scrubber is a reliable option for small but stubborn cleaning challenges. BoomJoy Electric Spin Scrubber. The BoomJoy Electric Spin Scrubber is built for heavy-duty and deep cleaning tasks. It features a high-speed motor that easily tackles tough stains on tiles, bathtubs, shower walls, and floors. The adjustable extension handle allows comfortable cleaning of hard-to-reach areas without bending. It includes multiple interchangeable brush heads, making it suitable for bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor surfaces. The rechargeable battery offers long-lasting power, supporting full house cleaning sessions. Its sturdy build and ergonomic design ensure durability and comfort during extended use. BoomJoy is an excellent choice for users who want strong power and professional-level cleaning performance at home with minimal effort. YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. The YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber offers excellent value for money with practical features and solid performance. It includes multiple brush heads designed for different surfaces, along with an extendable handle for better reach. The cordless design provides flexibility and makes cleaning more comfortable. Its motor delivers enough power for regular bathroom, kitchen, and tile cleaning tasks. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and store after use. Battery life is suitable for routine cleaning sessions. YKYI is a great budget-friendly option for users who want an effective electric spin scrubber without spending too much money. Keimi Electric Spin Scrubber. The Keimi Electric Spin Scrubber is designed to deliver efficient cleaning with minimal effort. It features a strong motor that removes dirt, grime, and soap scum effectively. The adjustable handle and multiple brush attachments make it suitable for different cleaning surfaces and tasks. Battery life is reliable and supports longer cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and good control during use. This scrubber is ideal for busy households that want dependable performance, ease of use, and consistent cleaning results. High-power electric cleaning brush. The high-power electric cleaning brush is designed for tough and demanding cleaning jobs. It features a powerful motor with fast rotation speed, making it ideal for stubborn stains, grout lines, tiles, and outdoor surfaces. The durable construction ensures long-term use even for heavy-duty tasks. Multiple interchangeable brush heads allow cleaning various surfaces with ease. This electric cleaning brush focuses on performance and power rather than compact size. It's best suited for users who want maximum cleaning strength and deep cleaning capability for challenging areas around the home. That's it for today's top 10 electric spin scrubbers. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Don't forget to check the links in the description for prices and deals. See you in the next one.